Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw some shapes with the colors. Let's try. This is triangle. What is this? This is triangle. And this one is circle. Now we want to draw. What is this? This is square. This is square. And what is this? This is rectangle. This is rectangle. Now what is this? This is pentagon. This is pentagon. And this one is hexagon. This one is hexagon. And this one is star. This one is star. This one is heart. This one is heart. Now we would like to draw with colors. Now we will pick up some colors to fill the shapes. Firstly, we want to take this color. Which color is this? This is yellow. This is yellow. Now we want to take the colors. Which color is this? This is red. This is red. We will draw it very slowly to fill the shape. Which color is this? This is green. This is green. Which color is this? This is blue. This is blue. Now we are going to take the color. Which color is this? This is pink. This is pink. Which color is this? This is black. This is black. Which color is this? This is brown. This is brown. Which color is this? This is red. This is red. So here all the shapes are filled with the different colors.